This is kind of normally what you see in the background of my videos, but what you don't see is this chair that's usually covered in clothing, and this closet which is absolutely packed full of more clothes and shoes than any one person needs. So the first thing that I'm gonna do is take my clothes out of this closet as much as possible, put them on my clothing rack, and then we can sort through things. Just in case you're new here, hi, I'm Sam, and I post new videos every single Wednesday, usually about fashion, which is how I ended up with all of this stuff in my closet. Without further ado, let's get into it. This clothing rack really didn't hold as much as I thought it would, but at least we have like the top section out here. And of course, what was on the clothing rack to begin with. Let's get started. For some reason, because I think it's a darker blue, I don't wear it that often, but I definitely want to keep it. This shirt I love. I actually have matching shorts. This is staying with me. I thrifted this a really long time ago, but I think I'm gonna let this one go. I don't know if I'm ready to give it up, but it's a maybe. I'm gonna put it in the maybe pile. I don't wear it that often anymore, but I think it is still a good little fancier crop top, so I'm gonna keep it. White zip up, this is something that I do still wear. A set that I wore a lot last summer and definitely going to be keeping it. I think it's time to put it more like in storage. This I used to wear with leggings. I do think it's time for it to go away. This dress, I actually wore it yesterday to dinner and I hadn't worn it forever. So I'm gonna keep this one. I thrifted this. I'm gonna try it on. It's cute, but it's missing a button. I'm gonna pass on this one. This is an Aritzia sweater. I'm gonna put it in the maybe pile. I'm not sure. I'll put a timestamp down below if you really just want to see try-ons. This is definitely a yes. I've had this sweater since I lived in Toronto. I feel like sentimental reasons I need to keep it. Plus it's cute. Black oversized hoodie from H&M. Don't really wear this. Definite maybe. I also thrifted this one. This is from the Aritzia warehouse sale. I'm also gonna put it in the maybe pile. This is my husband's and I think I stole it from him. I'm gonna see if he wants this back. This 437 set is something that I was sent to make a video on. I still love that company, but I actually haven't really worn these, so I'm gonna let someone else find these. I'm still trying to figure out if I want to sell stuff on Poshmark or if I just want to take it to a consignment store or if I just want to donate it all. I don't know if these are still in. I got this a couple of years ago, but I'll keep it for now. TNA oversized polo dress. I am going to keep this. Linen shirt. I wear this all the darn time. This cute little top my mom thrifted for me actually, but it's from Aritzia. I also have this oversized white button up that I thrifted as well. I haven't worn it in a little while, but you kind of need like a staple piece like this in your closet. This is the same as the black hoodie, but I do wear the white one. I like the white one more. This one I'm going to keep. Oh, definite maybe. Keeping this turtleneck crop sweater for sure. This cardigan is a yes. My garage Skims dupes. These are very cozy. This dress I've legitimately only worn to take photos in. I am gonna keep it though. This sweater is from Aritzia and it's so cozy, but I never ever wear it. It's going in the maybe pile. This is newer. This is a yes. This dress is also a yes. I'm gonna put it in the maybe pile. How many formal dresses do I need? But I'm gonna put it in the maybe pile. I just wear my leather blazer all the time, so I'm gonna try it on again. This Zara sweater is a yes for sure. Got married in this cropped blazer, so it is 100% staying with me probably forever. I do think that it's cute and it's so soft, so I will keep it for spring at least. Aritzia sweatsuit set in this beautiful pink color. keeping this. This dress, I think it's really cute in this shorter length, and I'm going to wear it this summer. These are the sale shorts. Again, just bought them from Aritzia, so those are staying. Love this green top. I do wear this. It is staying. We're getting into territory of things that I have recently purchased, so they will be kept, like this favorite denim jacket. These are all pieces that I'm keeping. We're back to an empty rack. I'm gonna bring out the rest of the stuff that's in the bottom of my closet, and then we have a lot of drawers to go through. I'm Canadian, so I have to surf into Fino. This is my husband's wedding suit, and I don't know how I got the responsibility of putting this in my closet. This stuff is so dirty on the bottom. This is actually disgusting. I'm going to be definitely letting it go. It was great while it lasted, and it needs a serious wash currently. These two things are going in the maybe pile. Keeping this one for sure. This is like a thrifted gem. Don't wear it anymore, though it is cute. So I'm going to get rid of it. I'm also going to wash it before I do that. This is another one of those pieces that came with me from Toronto originally. I don't really wear it that much. It's going in the maybe pile. Fake silky dress that my mom and I sewed together. Keeping it. This is my wedding dress. Keeping this, obviously, before I got a super puff. Keeping that, but again, stowing it away. I love it. I will be keeping it and wearing it again next winter. Let's try on some maybes. It's cute, but yeah, I'm not 100% sold. I've held on to it this long. This one's not getting the boot today. This is massive. You can't see, but it goes like all the way down to the floor. I think I will keep this. I don't have a good feeling about this one. Yeah, it just doesn't have enough structure. This blazer, I think, is really cute. I do feel like it's a staple, though. I do like it. I think it's comfy. I'm going to keep this one for now. The collar is like all floppy. Finally going to be taking this one out of my closet after having it for years. It is super nice, but does it have a stain? I'm gonna wash it, and if this is in fact a stain, then I feel like it's probably time to go. I think if this had a regular collar, I would be more into it. I think maybe this is something to go on Poshmark. Maybe there will be a day when I just want to wear it again. So this I'm gonna give one more chance to. I wore this when I was in Victoria. I think I'm gonna keep it. I tend to pile things up on top of my dresser, and it's not very good. These are both going to get donated. Ooh, these pants. I think I might put these on Poshmark maybe. I hang on to things sometimes just because they are Aritzia. I'm gonna put this in the maybe pile. I bought this to wear to one of my best friend's rehearsal dinners. It does look very cute, so I'm gonna try it on. These are the Spanx faux leather leggings. I am gonna hold on to them. Bike shorts from TNA. I do not wear them very often. And this skirt, I just feel like is a very fall piece. These are my A Goldies, favorite jeans. Oh, same. These are just flared leggings. I'll definitely be keeping this sweater. I just need to pack away. I organize my drawers with these little IKEA drawer dividers, and I find that they're quite helpful. This is my workout stuff, as I'm sure you can tell, and these are the shorts that go with that shirt. Oh, these are shorts too. So these I don't have a matching set for, but I do like them, and I feel like every year neon is in for spring and summer. So I'm gonna keep holding on to these. This is just a TNA sports bra that is a little bit longer line that sometimes I wear as a shirt. I have a couple sets from Amazon. I have my Aritzia like one-piece unitard thing that is awesome. These are from Lulu, so Align bike shorts that I love, and then also the Align tank. Just made a video on these. This is the Set Active dupe. These ones, which are the real Set Active. These ones I will be passing along. First of all, if you are still watching this video, thank you so much. I know it's been a long one, and I really appreciate you still being here with me. This part of the video I did decide to speed up just because things were getting a little bit too long, and really these tops, mostly I'm just showing you cropped black and white tanks, long sleeves, t-shirts, pajama shirts that I wear. Honestly, it's not that exciting, so here you go. These are shorts I got last year from Zara. Definitely want to keep these. Same with these. These are Levi's. These ones I will need to try on again. These ones I'm also curious to try on. Faux leather shorts I am definitely keeping. This tennis skirt, I have the white one now and I haven't worn this one since I got the white one. So I'm gonna keep it for now, but I think maybe this is something that I will be clearing out of my closet at some point. Trust your instincts. If you know you want something, then don't settle for less than that thing. Align leggings, keeping those for sure. This is a skirt that I bought when I was in Mexico. It is great for vacations or hot days. It has little shorts underneath it. So holding on to that. These are so comfortable though. So even though I don't have a matching top to them, I will be keeping them. These jeans are the first low-rise thing that I bought. I'm gonna try these on again. These are from Zara. These are like super wide leg. These ones I'm definitely keeping. These are like the perfectly fitting thrifted pair of jeans of my dreams. These are some cute little shorts that I got in Mexico as well. These are from Garage and they have that frayed detail at the top that I loved so much when I was like 12, 13. This skirt I do want to try on again. These are slit leg leggings from Zara. I will be keeping these. Last but not least, these are the Miletta pants in this like taupey color. I'm gonna keep them even though they don't get as much wear as the black ones. Now that I've gone through my drawers, we have this fun area to deal with. I can honestly say like this is the spot in my cupboard that I go to the most. So I do reach for almost all of these things. Mostly it's Aritzia sweatsuits. This is another sweater that I stole from my husband, but I do actually wear this. It's kind of like my backup for when my Aritzia stuff is dirty. This is like the triad that I have now in like every colorway of my Aritzia stuff. So I have the mega sweatpants, I have a cropped crew neck, and then I also have the atmosphere shorts that match it. So like summer, winter, I can keep wearing this stuff in a matching set. We are slowly but surely getting somewhere in this room, and this giant chair full of clothes in front of me is the last major stop. I'm just gonna breeze through this because I'm sure this video is going to be a ridiculously long one. The camera died, but we're back. Pretty much everything on the chair is good and I'm keeping it, but I do have a few to try on. Put on my bike shorts so I can just try everything on over top of this. These are very wide leg. I do like them. I think I like them better for fall. This skirt, it is quite short, but you know what? I wanted a denim mini skirt. See, they're very short. They're like capris on me, and maybe with some heels it would be okay. Keeping them for now. I try not to let sales trick me, but they were quite on sale at the Levi's store, and so I bought them even though they were too short, and I probably should have just left them alone. I don't know if it's just that I'm getting older that I like don't want this as much for myself. I feel like a broken record, but keep it this summer, and if I don't wear them this summer. This is a great example of like bodies do change quite a lot over time. These shorts last summer were like falling off of me. They felt really, really big, and obviously this summer they are a little bit more well fitted to my body, which is totally fine. And I actually like them better when they fit me, so I'm kind of happy that they do. Yeah, I'm gonna keep these. They're my only pair of like black denim shorts. Let's try on some dresses now. I did want to see what this looked like with black under it, so this is a perfect opportunity. I don't know if I like it as much with black under it as just with nude. I'm kind of still torn. This dress, I feel like just doesn't quite fit me properly. Again, I got it on sale and it wasn't perfect then, and I just was like, oh, I'll make it work. I have a feeling this one's gonna be a no. I really don't like that the pleats don't continue on to the back. These I'm interested in because I used to wear these, oh my goodness, actually, it was these shorts and then this top, and I don't know that it's doing it for me anymore. Remember when these button-up skirts were like all anybody ever wore? I just feel like it's kind of a little bit of a shapeless sack on me, and I'm gonna get rid of it. This dress I also have not tried on in a long time, and I feel as though, yeah, it just doesn't really fit me anymore. I've always thought these ties were the weirdest thing ever. This is from Forever 21, by the way. It's funny because it's not like my style right now. However, I feel like if I was going to a country concert, I would like wear this and my cowboy boots and just call it a day. I know that it's weird I'm putting these over top of bike shorts. I just really don't want to change more and more times. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna keep these. Yeah, I don't know why I keep keeping this top. I feel like this has never fit me properly. It is so tight though. You know what though? I just got extenders for another top of mine and it's got the same amount of hooks as this does. If you ever have something that doesn't fit you, I just ordered this off Amazon. Well, I think that's a whole lot better. It still pinches in a little bit at the sides, but I'm gonna see if I wear this. I've been at this for a while now, so I'm not gonna do the accessories today, but give it a thumbs up if you want me to make another video. But for now, I'm just gonna deal with all of this stuff, putting it back into my closet, and I will show you the final result. I was trying to organize by type, like jackets, sweaters, sweatshirts, bottoms. Usually I just like Roy G. Biv all of my clothes, so I make it, yeah, just look like a beautiful rainbow. But maybe if I have it organized like this, instead of just like the beautiful rainbow aesthetic way, I will be able to find things better. I ended up putting all of my bigger t-shirts that some of them I like wear and also sleep in, but those live here. These are all of the black and white, like, and the cropped stuff. This is what I wear the most for sure. So I wanted to have like nice, easy access. I brought some shorts up into this drawer because I just didn't have enough shirts to fill it once I started hanging a couple of my shirts. And then these are the pants and my blue denim shorts, but not quite enough to fill up this drawer, unfortunately. However, these are all my pants that I think maybe I will wear this summer. I know it doesn't look that great, but I do try and keep things up here so that I can't just like pile a bunch of clothes, although it doesn't always work. And then I just refolded and kind of color coordinated a little bit all of my matching sweat sets up here. I do have some of my other sweaters just hanging as well, but these are the ones that I tend to wear like when I'm working that I just want to be able to pull out and put on. Things over here, not looking so good, but that is okay. This stuff I'm either going to be storing for now. Remember when we used to wear cloth face masks all the time? And this stuff I might try and sell on Poshmark. And this stuff, I think the bigger pile I am going to be donating. Just things that I don't think it would be really worth it to sell. So I do have to deal with all of this stuff still, but it's not going back in there. So that's good. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you next Wednesday with a brand new video. Bye!